Hello and welcome back to my channel That English Tutor. In today's video, we'll talk about how you can improve your English speaking skills by yourself at home without a speaking partner. Most English learners believe that merely reading books and listening to native speakers speak the language can enhance their English. While reading and listening are crucial in helping us develop our language skills, they are not enough. If you want to improve your English speaking skills, you must practice speaking. Speak in English as much as you can. But what if you don't have someone to talk to in English? Many of us don't live in English-speaking countries. Even for those of us who do, finding a speaking partner may be difficult. Perhaps we don't feel confident enough to go up to someone and start a conversation with them. Or maybe we are stuck at home because of the whole pandemic situation. What do we do then? How do we work on improving our spoken English? There is a technique that can help you improve your English speaking skills by yourself. It's called the imitation technique. What is the imitation technique and how does it help English learners improve their speaking skills? To imitate means to copy someone. However, this technique does not require you to mindlessly copy what someone else is saying and repeat after them. This method is much more than that. It helps us learn how to communicate in English effectively. Effective communication happens when we are able to express our thoughts and feelings clearly in words. That's when we begin to speak English confidently and effortlessly. Now, how does the imitation technique work? First, you will need to listen to someone talk on a subject in English. Next, you will speak out loud in your own words whatever you've heard and understood. Let's understand this technique in greater detail. You will need to begin by consuming content on topics that interest you. For instance, if you enjoy movies, you could watch your favorite actors interview in English. Listen to a small portion of the interview, maybe 4 or 5 sentences, and then practice speaking those sentences out loud in your own words. You can then re-watch the same portion of the interview and check if you've made any mistakes in terms of grammar or pronunciation. Slowly go on increasing the level of difficulty. Start listening to a larger portion of the interview and then try expressing it in your own words. Let me give you an example. Suppose X is your favorite actress. You watch an interview of hers where she says the following: "I love partying. It gives me a high and makes me forget my worries. I find that partying is a huge stress buster. I love making friends and partying can be a great way to meet new people." You could try expressing what she said in your own words. You could say something like, "X loves partying. She finds it exciting and it helps her forget all her troubles. Partying helps her relax as it reduces stress. Finally, it allows her to meet new people and make friends." Maybe at first you'll find it difficult to interpret and express what you hear in your own words. Don't worry about making mistakes. The important thing is to practice. If you go on practicing, you'll find that every day you're getting better and better at speaking English. There are numerous benefits of the imitation technique. It helps you become more fluent. Your English comprehension skills, sentence construction, grammar, vocabulary, and many other aspects of the English language will begin improving by leaps and bounds. You'll be able to put your thoughts and feelings into words effortlessly. A great advantage of this technique is that while it helps you improve your English speaking skills, it does not feel like work. You learn English while doing something you enjoy. I have a bonus tip for you. Another excellent tool to improve your English speaking skills is writing. Write down your thoughts, your feelings, your opinions on a topic or an issue. Whatever it is that you feel strongly about, write. Always remember that we must work on both the input and the output. Input consists of reading, listening, and even watching, while output includes speaking and writing. In order to be able to speak and write well, you need to consume content. That is, you need to read and listen. There can be no output without input. Hence, you should make sure that you work on all four aspects of learning English: reading, listening, writing, and of course, speaking. I hope you found today's lesson helpful. If you did, please subscribe to my channel. Also hit the bell icon so that you will never miss another update from this channel. Make sure to hit the like button and share this video with other English learners. If you have any questions or suggestions, make sure to leave a comment and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Thank you for watching my video. Take care and I'll see you in the next one.